Hello, dear students. Today's topic is rational expressions. Today, you will be able to identify the domain of variables in a rational expression and apply the main algebraic fraction property. Today's key terms are domain, анықталу облысы, область определения, equivalent fractions, тең бөлшектер, равные дроби, quotient, бөлінді, частное, reduce, қысқарту, сократить, simplify, қысқарту, сократить. In previous lesson, we have passive about algebraic fractions, and we can be two types, rational numbers, and second one is rational expression. The fraction a over b means that the number represented by a is the numerator and is to be divided by the number represented by b, the denominator. Since division by 0 is not possible, the value of the denominator b cannot be 0. The case where b is 0, the total fraction have no meaning. Let's have an example. Find the value of x for which 9 over x minus 7 is not defined. Define that this thing has no meaning. It has no meaning only x minus 7 equal to 0. So it's when x equal to 7. Put in place of x and 7, it will be equal to 9 over 0, which is not acceptable. Do you remember what is the domain? Today, we will learn the domain of rational expression. The domain of any expression is the set of all possible input values. So how can we understand it? Let's take an example. 7 divided by 5 minus x. X is equal to 5. The fraction is not defined. So all other possible values from minus infinity till 5 and from 5 till plus infinity are possible. Also, we can denote it as all real numbers except 5. Here is practice. Find the domain of x for which 6 divided by x is defined. Here is asking us domain. So the domain of function will be 6 over x. Cannot be 0, but other value acceptable. So we will say that all real numbers except 0. Fractions that have the same value are equivalent fractions. The equivalent fractions property allows us to find equivalent fractions and also simplify fractions. Let's look at this example. 10 over 15 or 2 over 3 are equivalent fractions since their mean is equal. As you see, all the pieces have the same amount of left parts. First one is divided into 2 parts and only 1 over 2 of first pizza left. Second pizza was divided into 4 parts, only 2 of them left. If we cancel factors on the numerator and in the denominator common factors, we'll get 1 over 2 as in first pizza. Third one also is into 8 parts, only 4 of them left, so we can write as 4 over 8, simplify common factors, and you will get 1 over 2. So we say that 1 over 2 and 2 over 4 and 4 over 8 all are equivalent fractions. A fraction is considered simplified if there are no common factors other than 1 and minus 1 in its numerator and denominator. For example, 4 divided by 5 is simplified because there are no common factors of 4 and 5. 10 over 15 is not simplified because 5 is a common factor out of 10 and 15. So we can write as 2 times 5 over 3 times 5. So 5 is common factor, and here we can simplify them. And we cancel them, and we will get to 2 over 3. A fraction is not simplified until all common factors have been removed. When you're calculating very big numbers, pay attention that your fraction is divided at all. For example, 81 divided by 243. You notice that 81 divided by 3 and 243 divided also by 3. Let's divide it. 27 over 81. So this fraction is not simplified because we have common factors. You have to simplify it till the end, till numerator and denominator have no common factor. So this answer will be 1 over 3. If an expression has fractions, it's not completely simplified until the fractions are simplified. Example, simplify each of the following fractions. Part A. As you see, 7 times b over 3 times b times b. We simplify b and b. 7 and b, or 7 and 3, cannot be simplified. So 7 over 3b will be the answer. B part. The easy way to simplify rational expressions, you have to factorize numerator, then factorize denominator, and cancel all like terms. So let's factorize numerator. Let's isolate x outside the brackets, and inside the brackets we will have 3 plus x over 6 times x times x. So here we can cancel x and x. 3 plus x we cannot divide it by 6 or by x. So it will be 3 plus x divided by 6x. Here. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.